Hi, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we discussed about the main challenges of the machine learning and some of the challenges like insufficient quantity of training data, non-representative training data. In this video, we are going to see one of the main challenges of the machine learning is poor quality data. So poor quality data refers to the presence of inaccuracies, incompleteness, inconsistency, or other issues with a data set that can adversely affect the performance and reliability of machine learning models. So this is about the poor quality. It refers the inaccuracies, incompleteness, or inconsistency. So these reflect the poor quality data. It affects the performance of the machine learning. So it includes missing values, noise represents duplicate records, and data that doesn't adhere to the expected format or standards, that become a poor quality data. So poor quality data can lead to biased model outcomes, reduced generalization ability, and unreliable predictions. So due to poor quality, the machine learning can get the predicted as a biased model outcomes, reduced generalization ability, and unreliable predictions. These are the outcomes of the due to poor quality data. So to overcome this one, the data pre-processing steps are very important. We are applying the data pre-processing steps in order to overcome the poor quality data representations. First one is imputation. The missing values can be filled using the different techniques like mean, median, or mode imputations. We replace the missing values by using the mean, median, or mode. And the second approach is outlier detection and handling. So here outliers can be detected and either removed or transformed to mitigating their impact on the data. So third step is data cleaning. Inconsistency or erroneous data can be corrected or removed from the data set. Data cleaning means removing the unnecessary data from your data set. So for example, incomplete data, if a data set contains missing values or incomplete records, it can lead to inaccurate models and biased results. Noise data includes errors or inconsistencies that arises from various sources like sensor malfunctions or human errors during the data collection. Thank you for watching our video. In the next video, we are going to see how to overcome the irrelevant features of the machine learning. Thank you.